I want to show you how to display this pop-up haunted house for Halloween. It's beautifully crafted. Fresh cut paper sent me this haunted house pop-up so I could share with you my honest opinion. Let's see what's inside the envelope. We have a note card that you can write a message in. Instructions. There's the haunted house. Let's see what else there is. A scavenger hunt. I think there are all kinds of hidden creatures inside this house. First, we'll place it on a flat surface. Then, gently raise up the towers, just so that they'll pop up later with the whole house. Then we need to pull the bottom apart and look for 2 orange dots. If we press on these orange dots, then the house will pop up. So let me see. I can pop them up. Yes, you really have to press hard, but then they pop up. That's what the bottom looks like. Then you should be able to raise the towers, but they didn't raise up. So let's see. I'll pull that back out, flatten it again. Now I'll raise the towers up. That's about as far as I can raise them up. So let's see what happens this time. Press on those orange dots. There's the back. Raise up the back. I think this should raise up more. Yes, it should. So I'm going to lift these towers up really high. I think I just wasn't lifting them high enough. Okay, let's try this one more time. Now I'll press on the orange dots again, and the towers are up this time. So if you have trouble, just watch me. That's how to fix it. That's really cute. I think we need to pull the roof down. Looks pretty good. So then you can display this for Halloween. And you can follow the scavenger hunt instructions to find the hidden creatures. So this should be fun. Then, when you're all finished, Halloween's over, you just pull on that hole on the bottom, press it down flat, then fold the back down flat, and then it will fit back in the envelope. You can store it for the next Halloween, or if you want to share it, you can mail this colorful envelope to anywhere in the United States. This is a 15-inch pop-up house, so it's pretty big. This is a special design for Halloween by Fresh Cut Flowers. They make great, large, pop-up floral greeting cards that are a great alternative to fresh cut flowers, and they can be displayed permanently as a bouquet. So check them out for a greeting card that's also a gift. Happy Halloween!